That one's way too.
That's a dove on top of you. Good job.
Here's the other one. Go, boys. Dad, over you, over you! Frick. Missed that one. Behind. Dang.
I haven't seen the second one.
So guys, I ended up shooting 12 doves, and as a group of 5 we shot 42. I unfortunately couldn't get all the dove recordings because the way the sun was rising, the doves were also coming from that direction. So whenever we saw the doves, there wasn't enough time to press the record button and shoot because they would have been out of range already. So that kind of sucked. But if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel out a lot. Thanks.